Laser Technologies is a supplier of non-contact measurement systems. We supply long-range laser distance sensors for level, size, position, and one of the markets we have in the materials handling market is the positioning of ASR systems and shuttles in material handling. We have systems for mobile equipment, primarily tip-over sensors, inclination sensors for scissors lifts and picker trucks and lift trucks. Thirdly, Laser Technologies produces and manufactures a line of crane sentry products for overhead cranes. These products keep overhead cranes from hitting each other, collision detection. They're also used to keep overhead cranes out of areas where machines are. For example, we have no-fly zone systems, and we have systems that go on hoists of overhead cranes to keep the hoists from injuring operators, damaging property, and also from damaging the hoists themselves. Our products are all based off non-contact measurement and keep safety in mind.